The high-voltage IPL 2026 clash between Mumbai Indians (MI) and Royal Challengers Bengaluru (RCB) has set a new record for the longest IPL game without a super over, lasting a staggering 4 hours and 23 minutes. The match duration has become a major talking point on social media, with cricket personality Joy Bhattacharya jokingly noting it was longer than the nearly 4-hour-long movie Dhurandhar: The Revenge. Match highlights and key stats. Result: RCB beat MI by 18 runs at the Wankhede Stadium. RCB score: 240 quarters, 20.0 overs, their highest ever total at this venue. MI score: 222 fifths, 20.0 overs. Player of the match: Phil Salt (RCB) for a blistering 78 off 36 balls. Captain's knock: RCB skipper Rajat Patidar scored 53 off just 20 balls, including the fastest 50 by a captain in IPL history, reaching the milestone in 17 balls. Bowling impact: Krunal Pandya (126th) and Suyash Sharma (247th) were instrumental in defending the total. Why was it so long? The game stretched well beyond the typical T20 timeframe, with the last ball being bowled after 11:45 p.m. Social media users pointed to the frequent use of wide reviews and high scoring as primary reasons for the extended runtime. Current standings as of April 13, 2026. The win solidifies RCB's strong run in the tournament, while Mumbai continues to struggle to contain opposition totals despite their own heavy hitting.